At sa punto pong ito, kasama natin dito sa The Heritage, ang isa po sa mga hinahangaan nating artista, si Tirso Cruz III. Magandang gabi po. Salamat po sa inyong pagpapaunlak sa amin.
Thank you rin sa inyo.
Nakatrabaho niyo po ba si Mang Dolphy?
Oh yes, I had the chance to do a movie with Tito Dolphy. I think they even showed it the other day, yung Aring King King.
Wow.
Yeah, we did a movie kasama si Anjanette. And then I also guested in a couple of times sa TV show niya. Dati yung Home Alone.
Oh,
Yeah.
ano po yung fondest memories niyo sa kanya?
Ay, marami kasi, alam mo, I'm sure a lot of people have spoken about this na he's a very quiet man pagka sa set, pero once you sit down with him, minakwentuhan, ang dami niyang mga anecdotes, ang dami niyang yung mga experiences niya. And well, almost everybody naman yata na starstruck pagkakaharap mo si Tito Dolphy. Parang nakaganon ako, kasama mong artista, pero I'm having a conversation with the king of comedy. Parang ganun yung feeling mo, di ba? And pero he'll never give you that feeling. He's the type of a person na he's so grounded, laging he's got his feet on the ground. He attends to you, makes you feel very relaxed, and gives you advice when you need it. And parang the type of a person na I'm just here for you. Parang ganon, without even mentioning it, na alam mong at any given time, should you need any help or advice, hindi ka magdadalawang isip, lalapit ka.
Bakit ho sa palagay nyo they call him the Comedy King? What made him click?
I think really, sabi nga nung iba, hindi ba, akala nila madaling magpatawa, pero ako, I believe as an actor, isa yun sa pinakamahirap, yung timing kasi. There were times nga, even with other actors, sinasabi ko, a joke that has been given 100 times, 1,000 times, na almost lahat ng tao, alam na yung joke, alam na yung punchline. Pero pabitawan mo kay Mang Dolphy, sasabog at sasabog ka pa rin ng tawa. So, it's really a talent na not everybody has it. And sa kanya, he has turned it into an art and into parang wala, second nature na sa kanya yun. Pero pag bitaw niya talaga, laging huli ka. Alam mo na, expected mo na eh. Pero tatawa ka pa rin. Sabi ko nga, siguro that's one of the secrets of Mang Dolphy, na that's why ganyan siya katagal sa industriya, na respeto at sikat. And yun nga, parang lahat ng, ako ang feeling ko, lahat ng artista siguro in their lifetime, parang feeling mo, sana magkaroon akong chance makatrabaho si Mang Dolphy.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Tirso Cruz III, magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi.